What should I do in the event of a spill? In case of a spill, it is important to take quick action. To do that, there are 5 key steps. I analyze, I stop, I alert, I take action, I report the incident. Firstly, I analyze the situation. I look for the source of the spill, the product that has been spilled, and the extent of the spill. I stop all activities in the immediate vicinity to avoid an accident. Once I identify the product, I review the SDS, which informs me of the risks, the protective equipment I should use, and the measures I should take when handling a substance. After equipping myself with the appropriate personal protective equipment, I stop the spill by catching in containers, shutting off valves, plug in any leaks. Then, I alert and follow any site safety instructions. Depending on the environment, the substance, and the extent of the spill, special instruction may apply, such as calling the fire department, or, if the spill is in close proximity to a watercourse, closing storm water valves at industrial sites and alerting the local water authority. To prevent the spread of the spill, I use the spill kits I have at my disposal. For example, I install blanking pads to protect drains and networks, and I use an absorption sock to block and contain the spill. On water, I use floating booms to contain surface spills. Now that the spill has stopped and the situation stabilized, I can clean up. Note: not all absorbents are appropriate for all products. Some work with all products, while others only absorb hydrocarbons or other chemical products. I can use different products depending on the size of the spill. For larger amounts of liquid spilled on the ground, I use absorbent granules. It is preferable to use absorbent pads for small quantities of machine oils to keep the workshop clean. The rolls are practical for drying and protecting the floor and work surface. The specially designed hydrocarbon sheets and rolls can also absorb oil spilled in water. Finally, once the spill has been cleaned up, I put the soil absorbent in a waste collection bag and place this bag in the hazardous waste sorting container. Now the situation is under control and the accident has been avoided. I report the event and participate in the root cause analysis. These steps are essential to ensure that we collectively learn, improve performance, and ultimately prevent reoccurrence. On a daily basis, to reduce the daily risk of the spills, I make sure I have absorbent materials nearby. I conduct regular drills. They are important for understanding how to use the equipment and ensuring everyone knows their role. I check the condition of the equipment by inspecting the spill kits, and I immediately replace the equipment if it is damaged. Now, I am prepared and ready to act safely.